how to change the display from area status to armed or disarmed on the Smart Living panel. Enter program mode. Under panel options, come down to show scenario and just check this box, and that will be the arming scenario. So we say OK to save that. Now we could leave that as all you would need to do, but by default it would say armed area 1 or disarmed area 1, which will scroll across the screen because the amount of character. So what I would recommend is come down to arming scenarios, and these are the titles that are used as the display. So let's just change those to make them more simplified. Under description, instead of saying arm area 1, let's say armed. And to delete these, just go right across and now press the C button and that will delete it. So we'll just leave that as armed. Press OK to save. Move back one, come down to disarm, and let's just change that as well. And we'll just make the status as disarmed. And again, let's just delete these unneeded characters. OK to save. And if we escape out of this now, you'll see that instead of it being the area status here, it's now disarmed, or if we arm it, it will just say armed.